beauties, it's your girl Brittany and I am back with another video, you guys. Happy Halloween, you guys. So if you see that thumbnail, you read the title, you guys, and you already know what today is. I am going to be like a get ready with me slash showing y'all little cheap stuff that you can do last minute for Halloween. So without further ado, we're gonna get straight into this video, you guys, because I am so excited to do this, you guys, because I've never done this before, so it's gonna be a first for me. So don't come for me and I will come for you. Without further ado, we're gonna get straight into the video, you guys. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are a new returning subscriber, then how you doing? And we're gonna get straight into this video, you guys. So let's go. Okay, you guys, so I went to Walmart and I picked up a couple of items. Here I have some white paint and some blue paint. I also picked up this because I need a couple of colors that I'm going to use out of here. And also I will be using but this is some old Halloween paint that I've used last year, you guys. I also have some blue body paint, you guys. I'm not really sure if I'm going to use just yet, you guys. But without further ado, we're going to get straight into the video. Alright, you guys, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with the blue. I put a little water in it just to get it, feel like get a better base. I'm already scared because it doesn't look as dark as I thought it was going to be, but I'm just going to paint it all over my face. See that, you guys? Oh my gosh, it's not that dark. Let's see, you guys. Might have to pull out some of this body paint. It looks really dark, so it might actually work. I'm just going to blend these in together. Like this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This gives me. Alright, you guys, so now I'm just going to take my beauty blender. Alright, you guys, so this is what we're looking like so far. Still trying to blend this out. I still feel like the blue is not giving me the pigment that I need. Hey guys, so now I am going to go in with this dark blue right here. Can y'all actually see it? I don't even think it's showing up. I don't know what happened, but I guess my camera went off, but just put in the blue. Pink. Going over it with the white. Alright you guys, so this is what I am looking like so far. So this is it you guys. Tell me what you think about this look. I think I might have did my white dots a little too big. Okay, for my first time you guys. I'm not a professional, but here is a cute look that you can do at home. It probably took me like 30 minutes, I'm not gonna lie, because I kept having to mix paints. And as you can see, my hands are all nasty, whatever. But if you enjoyed this video, you guys, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you're going to be for Halloween tonight. I would love to see. And until next time, you guys, remember, you're a boss. Bye.